ODF fiber splicing RF970. Open the ODF cover. Remove the protective coating of the fiber cable for about 70 centimeters. Enlarge the diameter of fiber cable. Fix the fiber cable and reinforcement steel wire. Fix the fiber with the zip tie. Pre-coil the fiber. Remove the protective coating here. Clean the fiber. Prepare 3 pieces of SCAPC fiber. Put the heat shrink tube on each SCAPC fiber. Connect fibers in the ODF to their respective SC or PC fiber via fusion splicing. For ease of memorization, a color coding principle can be adopted: orange to orange, green to green, blue to blue. Coil the fiber carefully. Plug in the connectors. Mounting the hangers.